रात और स्क्रीन की रोशनी, सिंटैक्स की उलझन, प्रांशु का ज्ञान, एक एक लॉजिक आराम से समझाना। हाँ, मैं हूँ तुम्हारा गाइड यहाँ। ये डिजिटल सफर अकेले नहीं, लेट्स डिबग इट टुगेदर माय फ्रेंड। ये डिजिटल सफर अकेले नहीं, अकेले नहीं।
Welcome to Episode 3, Part 2 Memory Sizes. At a glance, different data types occupy different amounts of memory. Here's a summary of the most commonly used ones in C. 1b. Char. Stores a single character like A or die. 4b. Int. Stores whole numbers like 18, 100, 24b. Float. Stores decimal numbers like 314. 99.98b. Double. Stores high-precision decimals like 3.14159265. These are typical values on most modern 64-bit systems. Exact sizes may vary by compiler and OS, but don't worry about memorizing this right now. You'll use them naturally as you code. Declaring and initializing variables. Declaration. Only you can declare a variable first, create it without a value, and assign a value later. int age. Float salary. Char grade. Age 18. Salary 25,050. Grade or REA. Declaration plus initialization. Together, you can also declare and assign a value in a single line. This is cleaner and more common. Int age 18. Float salary 25,000 fit. Char grade TDA. Double pi 3.45926535. This saves time and makes your code shorter and easier to read. Both approaches are valid. In practice, prefer declaring and initializing together unless you have a specific reason to separate them. Displaying output with printf. To display information on the screen, C provides the printf function. It stands for print formatted and is defined in the header file. Printing plain text cprintf hello world. This prints the text exactly as written between the quotation marks. Printing a variable sint age 18. Printf %d age. %d is a format specifier that tells printf to insert the value of age as an integer. Combining text and variable cprintf. My age is %d age. This prints my age is 18, mixing fixed text with a variable's value in one line. Format specifiers explained. Format specifiers act as placeholders inside printf and scanf. They tell the function what type of data to handle. Each data type has its own specifier. %d, used for int, integers, whole numbers. F, used for float, decimal numbers. %c, used for char, single characters. LF, used for double, high-precision decimals. Don't worry if these feel unfamiliar right now. You'll use them repeatedly throughout this course until they become second nature. Escape sequences in printf. Escape sequences are special two-character codes starting with a \n. They let you control how your output is formatted, adding new lines, tabs, and more. Eng, new line, moves the cursor to the next line, H or T. Horizontal tab adds a tab space for prints a \, character unarturned. Prints a double quote character inside a string example in action printf, name, pranshorn. Printf age den. Printf grade n. Output, name, pranshu age, 18 grade. Escape sequences make your output clean, readable, and well-spaced. Taking input with scanf. A truly useful program doesn't just display fixed output. It responds to the user. C gives us the scanf function to accept input from the keyboard. Step 1. Declare a variable. Create a variable to hold the input value. C int age. Step 2. Prompt the user. Tell the user what to enter .cprintf. Enter your age. Step 3. Read the input use scanf to store what the user types .cscanf %in age. Step 4. Use the value. Now use the variable anywhere in your program .cprintf. You are % years old, age. The ampersand and in scanf, yn. The in symbol is called the address operator. When you write to scanf, point, and age, you are telling scanf, go to the memory location where y, putting it all together. A complete example. Here is a complete interactive C program that uses everything we've covered in this episode. CC include int main, lock int age, float marks, char grade, printf enter your age, scanf age, printf enter your marks, scanf, printf, and marks, printf enter your grade, scanf %c and grade, printf n student info n, printf age age, printf marks, %2f marks, print for grade %co near grade, return 0. This program declares 3 variables, asks the user to enter values for each one, and then neatly displays everything back. This is the pattern behind almost every interactive C application. Episode 3, Key Takeaways. Data is information. Everything a computer processes, names, numbers, characters, is data. Variables are named memory locations. They store data so it can be reused and updated easily throughout a program. Data types define what a variable stores. Int, float, char, and double each hold different kinds of values. Printf displays output. Use format specifiers like %d, %f, %c to print variables. Scanf reads input. Always use them before the variable name to tell scanf where to store the value. What's coming next? In the next episode, Format Specifiers in Depth, explore all specifiers and how to format output precisely with %.2f and more escape sequences, master NN, C, and other formatting tools to make output beautiful interactive programs. Build your first fully interactive C applications that respond to real user input. Practice problems. Solve beginner coding challenges to reinforce what you've learned. Practice before the next episode. Try writing these programs on your own. Write a program that takes your name's first letter and prints it using char create variables for your age, height, float, and grade. Then print them all. Write a program that asks for 2 numbers and prints both back to the user. The best way to learn programming is to write code every day, even if it's just a few lines. Like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Tech with Pranshu for more C programming content.